Hey guys, hey traders. Quick market update for you guys. I'm about to head out on an all-day tour in 25 minutes and just doing a quick market update. So I'm trading the MTP system exactly as close as I can. Not only does it perform very well, but I'm also doing it because I want to touch grass and spend as little time trading as possible. I want to take the unknown out of my own actions, and I built this system for me to follow. So we're gonna follow it. So we're flat on gold after this failed breakout, after being long on gold for since October 2023. Now flat. We could maybe re-enter down here or down here. um, Silver's been flat for a while, and there was potentially a short right here, but same thing. Got in, got out. I am in a Russell 2000 long. I took it here, but the it's been long since April, and I'm doing nothing today. There's nothing to do. Just sitting in this trade. We look at Dow Jones. We're also long Dow Jones off this breakout is when I took it. This breakout right here, although it initially took an entry here, held through this, and as an add-on. I'm personally flat US 100. I took this breakout, which is probably wrong because it should be 15 to 20 days. I'm looking for a re-entry down here somewhere at the June low or this wick right below it. Same thing for US 500. Not taking that until then. US 500 is looking strong. Also, if it makes a new all-time high sometime later on, it will be potentially a good place to buy. So those are the main indices that I'm trading. You can see I pruned my watch list down considerably. If we look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin just kind of spazzing. I have a long that maybe I shouldn't have taken, but it's been long still. It never got stopped out. We have a long on this day and a long on this day recently, and have had this move up. Will we make it to all-time highs? Remains to be seen. Um, Locally, just curious. We took this, so I mean, in theory, maybe that would be a decent short-term entry, but I don't know. The whole market could collapse at the same time. Anything can happen. ETH showing relative strength today. What's going on? Why is it not showing my long from lower? The long from lower dip buy should be. It's supposed to show a buy right here. I'm not sure why it's not showing it. But yeah, though I guess there was an add-on buy, a buy here and an add-on buy here. And it's showing relative strength today compared to Bitcoin. And then we have Solana, which I am long Solana from in here. Where's my long at? So it's supposed to be a do nothing, and I suppose I'll stick with my do nothing. But we have a failure at the high here. So it's not the best sign. If price starts to come down, I might bail on it. I mean, this would be the first signal of something not great, but I mean, we did fail at this high and made it higher. It's also green on the day, so it is also showing relative strength. It's Bitcoin that's showing relative weakness. BNB, let's look at the total market cap. Others market cap. and total 3 market cap. Nothing to do. Gonna go about my life and go on my tours today. There are a couple random things I want to check before. But the others under the SMA, total 3 kind of flirting with it. Total, yeah, I guess Bitcoin is relatively weak today. And yeah, I'd be interested to see what happens here. Let's look at I want to look at a couple random alts that I had traded. This one, yeah, sticking with this would have been fine, but it was discretionary, so I'm okay with that. And here's another one where it was shortable, but uh, it's too wide and loose. Okay, so one more thing I want to look at is the funding rate, but I'm committed to just trading my system, and there's nothing to do today, so we will stick with that. Yeah, I was hoping that Solana would hold this breakout. Um, didn't, but it's not a sign of something to do necessarily, as my stop is where it's supposed to be. Um, it's not really a reason to advance the stop either. So, as far as the funding rate goes, um, ETH looks pretty good, although the market as a whole doesn't look super great. It's not terrible, but it's not like looks really advantageous to longs right now or anything like that. So, yeah, the funding rate has been creeping back up as prices going higher, obviously. That happens every time. It's nothing crazy though, so ETH on the other hand, maybe has a chance to recover. Every time I've said that though, it's gone to shit. Um, yeah, I don't really love it from a funding rate perspective, but MTP doesn't care. We're just gonna trade it. Funding rate, it's creeping higher. It doesn't mean we cannot go higher, but um, yeah, I mean that was for sure a major bottom. But yeah, we'll do nothing today, and go do my hikes. Um, guess yeah, US 30 is up. Well, it didn't really move actually. US 2000 is down, but overall looks okay. Yeah, just need to see US 100 go a little bit lower to trigger. So we'll see if we get that. Okay, that's it. I'm not gonna log in until tomorrow and possibly later if I get the alerts or not. So much love, appreciate y'all, and happy trading. Peace.